Mga kanos, musta?
Pakita ko sa inyo ang convenience store diri sa Diversion Road, Iloilo City, Shell Gas Station.
That will blow your mind.
Tara, tour ta mo diri sa store. I'm Drinking Nose and welcome to my vlog. Upon entering, mapapa-amaze ka for its chill and relaxing ambience.
With wide selections of products to choose from
Kimchi, on-the-go meals, cakes, breads, and donuts.
Damo di pwede baklon kag pilian sa store na applicable sa tanan.
Kag available man sila sa mga international products. Pwede get study hub for students and for everyone for that excellent dining experience.
Also available sa mga cold drinks
And Korean ice puffs. There-to-go coffee and non-coffee based.
May kulang.
Siyempre ang Crazy Rich Chicken.
O bak, magandang dilag.
Go ma'am! Siyempre ang goal today, makaon sang Crazy Rich Chicken. Cause we all deserve a crazy rich treat for ourselves. Sa menu pa lang nila, damo ka na choices. Since hindi ako mag-decide, nag-ask ako recommendations for their best sellers. And their crew was very polite and very friendly towards my orders and inquiries.
They always smile and treat you
like a VIP. While waiting for my orders, sobrang may enjoy kayo sa well-air-conditioned ambience. Kag nami di manyaga, it's cozy and comfy.
Excuse lang mga kanos, CR break muna ta. Grabe kalamig mo. Wow! Laas tigilan na CR. O diba, ga-selfie pa ko. Kalimpyos ang ila CR. Very nice. Sa tungupod ko man, ginapakulan. Uy, Heart, ari ka gali. Ay, salamat. Appear. Lakad di. Makaundas ang Crazy Rich Chicken. Dito tapong ko.
Very outstanding talaga yung service nila towards their customers. And ari na mga orders namon. Yay! Ready to eat kami. Thank you so much. Half dozen Sesame Sensei. Double trouble or double sa sarap. Double garlic parmesan and El Diablo. Our favorite for 1 dozen cheesy chicks. Overload sa cheesiness and deliciousness. Crazy Chicken Meal Chinese Mafia. May 3 pieces chicken ka na, may rice ka pa. Psst! Pa-burger ka naman dyan with chicken barbecue and garlic chicken burger. It's a perfect treat for K-drama marathon. Crispy fried noodles for crazy samyang noodles. Start your day with potato fries. And for these colorful refreshers, for matcha frap, Manila vanilla, and strawberry smoothie. Tara mga nos, kaon ta! We tried various chicken flavors for its juiciness, crunch, texture, and overall flavors for its excellent quality and taste. Game ka ba sa spiciness? Well, try this El Diablo.
Ay abaw, perti ka kang, pero hindi bitin sa kanamiton. O isa pa o? Kung ano kanamit siya sa picture at video, amo na siya mas namit pagid sa personal.
It is uniquely formulated sauces with premium ingredients. Their aim is to make each customers have a crazy rich experience with the taste of their chicken.
Nag-enjoy talaga kami ni HeartKisses, BiboyNatics, and yours truly Drinking Nose sa kanilang food, service, and quality.
Achieve na achieve gid kag solid sa panlasa sa tanan. Mandamo gid na salamat sa Crazy Rich Chicken, sa mga staff, crew, at sa mga owners.
And that's it mga kanos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, follow, and subscribe my channel and also my page. Bye! See you in the next vlog!